When is your birthday? When is she at home? When are they available for the meeting? When is the teacher in the staff room? When was she here last time? When were you absent? When were we in Delhi? When will the bus be at the stop? Program be live? When will the school be open? When will the guests be here? When will we be free? When will they be home? When will he be back? When was he your classmate? When were they at the park? When is the shop open? When are you usually busy? When is he free to talk? When is the next class? When will she be ready? When was the function?